was fun. On Facebook, because it's live on Facebook. We know it, but life has always been uncertain, but the uncertainty has really been spotlighted now.
Yeah.
Okay, and so there is the threat of our security, our safety, in reality as well as perceived. Okay, and people are going to experience all sorts of emotions. Now, you may find that as I speak right now, you're finding yourself triggered, meaning, and it's deliberate, I'm doing this, meaning that as I'm talking about all this, you're feeling sensations in your body, okay? And that's what I mean, that when you're tapping on it, it's about your bodily sensations. It's the emotion that exists in your body that's actually causing you the dis-ease. So, you know, with the perceived and real threat of our fear of security and our safety, we as human beings resist the change, right? Because human beings love homeostasis. We love to stay consistent, and any intervention or interruption to that, we really resist. That's why when people try to change careers, try and transform an aspect of themselves with relationships and things like that, they really struggle because your body just likes to stay the same, right? So there's been a lot of quote unquote unprecedented changes, like that word's been used so many times. And with, you know, you want to sense where all that fear is in your body, or all the uncomfortableness is in your body. And before we begin, I just want you to go into your body and sense where that is. Like, for myself, if I'm talking about fear, the job security or insecurity, life is uncertain, there's a real threat, everyone's hypersensitive, you go to the shops and everyone else is hypersensitive and stressed out. For me, my fear comes out in my stomach area, my solar plexus area.
Right.
And for you, it could be the shoulders, it could be the jaw, it could be your elbow, anywhere in your body, or it could be, I tapped with a client and she had a pain in the chest, right? It came up, it was a real intense pain, a tightness. So I want you to assess that particular discomfort and rate it between 0 and 10. 10 being that's really tense and it's really tight. 0 being you're so relaxed you can float off to sleep. Right, so think about that spot in your body, give it a score between 0 and 10, and have it at the back of your mind as we tap along. Okay, and we're going to tap along to the fears of what we're dealing with right now. So starting with the karate chop point,